usable characters and their descriptions. First of all, we have the major character, that is John Proctor. He's a very principled farmer. He's an honest and highly regarded person, and he's very faithful, and he's a Christian believer as well. And now we have John Proctor's wife, Elizabeth Proctor. She is an upstanding wife and mother of Proctor's children, and she is accused of witchcraft. She is also a very good woman, a faithful, strong Christian believer, and she loves her husband very much, and she likes to evict the evil from the society. And here we have Abigail Williams, John Proctor's former lover or former mistress. She's very manipulative and vengeful, a teenager, selfish. Actually, she is the main cause of all the problems that has happened in Salem. And here we have John Proctor's friends and neighbors. So first of all, let's look at John Proctor's friend, Rebecca Nurse. She is a highly respected, honest, pious Christian woman. She is also like Elizabeth Proctor. And next we have Gillis Corey. He is an elderly farmer, honest and ethical. And next we have Reverend Paris. And Reverend Paris is a minister. He is very materialistic. He loves money. He loves power. And he is the uncle of Abigail. Reverend Paris is the uncle of Abigail. Or the opposite characters of John Proctor are Reverend Hale and Thomas Putnam. Reverend Hale is a witchcraft expert. And here we have Thomas Putnam. Thomas Putnam is a wealthy and greedy farmer who loves money, who craves for land, property, and wealth. And here we have all the people, those who are accused of witchcraft. So let's start with Goody Ballard, Alice Barrow, Goody Osborne, Martha Pillows, Goody Huff, Goody Biber, Goody Cyber, Bridget Bishop, Goody Booth, George Jacob, Sarah Good, Goody Hopkins. So these are the characters, those who are accused of witchcraft. And all these characters are minor characters. And here we have other minor characters. Just keep in mind the names of all these characters just to make the novel more manageable in our minds. So we have Ezekiel Cheever, he's a court clerk. We have Deputy Governor Danforth, he's a head judge. And then we have Dr. Griggs, doctor who suggests supernatural causes in Salem. Judge Hawthorne, a harsh jurist, showed no mercy to anyone. It's a very harsh judge. Then we have Marshall Herrick, is a court official. Guard Hopkins, sentry at the town's prison. Mercy Lewis, Putnam's servant and also Abigail's friend. Then we have Francis Nurse, Rebecca's husband, a highly respected man. Then we have Samuel Nurse, son of Francis and Rebecca, who cares for the Proctor's kids when they were away or when Elizabeth and John Proctor was in the prison. Then we have Betty Paris, Reverend Paris's daughter. Then Anne Putnam, Thomas Putnam's wife. Ruth Putnam, Anne Putnam's and Thomas Putnam's daughter. We have Judge Sewall, jurist. Judge Stoughton, jurist. Tituba is Reverend Paris's black slave. Susanna Walcott, Dr. Griggs' messenger. Then we have Isaac Ward, hanged for witchcraft. Isaac Ward is hanged for witchcraft. Then we have Mary Warren, Proctor's servant. Mary Warren is Proctor's servant. So This is the list of all the characters in the play The Crucible.